Hi guys, what's up? It's Bella Teal, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my summer makeup routine. This is going to be a quick video, but I just had to do it because summer is never complete without a summer makeup routine. First things first is primer. I just got this one today. It's Aveeno Daily Moisturizer with SPF in it, and I'm going to be using it because I just got it. I'm using this moisturizer as a primer for my face because about 2 weeks ago I was out in the sun and I got terrible sunburn, so much so that I had a blister on my face from it. So make sure to wear your sunscreen. Ooh, there we go. Okay, I'm not sure how much to put on. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like baby wipes. Okay, please don't have a cast though. And we're done. Just rubbing this in. Bam. Now we are protected from the sun and we are ready to apply some foundation. So in the summer, I usually like to apply tinted moisturizer because it's a little bit lighter and you sweat off some of your makeup during the summer. But because I have a little bit of an uneven skin texture here, I'm gonna be using my regular foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, I have to go wet this. And we're back. So, gonna take some of this and put it in here. Also, I should mention that I am wearing lash extensions. I got them for the first time, like ever, for my birthday last month. And I'm actually really loving them. I think that they look really good. And it's really nice, especially for summer, because then you don't have to put on mascara. I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows now. I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil now into my eyebrows. So I'm using the Winky Lux one. Sometimes I also use the e.l.f. one. It just depends on my mood, but recently I've been liking this one. And now we're gonna get up close and personal. Recently, I've been trying to grow out my eyebrows a little bit because a few months ago, I got them threaded and then they were like very thin on the ends. So I'm trying to get them back to their natural shape right now, which is why they're a little bit kind of all over the place. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Wow Brow to help my eyebrows stay in place. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm going to do my blush and bronzer. This is the Glacier Cloud Paint in Beam, and I'm just gonna apply this to the high point of my cheeks. I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup, plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. So I've done blush, I've done bronzer, eyebrows. Now I need to do my lips, and then I might put on a bit more blush. So for lips, in the summer, I usually literally just put on chapstick. Carmex, oh my gosh, you guys. Carmex, if you have not tried this, you need to, because it smells so good. Literally, like, they have a flavor, I'll go get it in a second. They have a cherry flavor that literally is better than an All right, I found a chapstick, it is right here. This is the cherry Carmex version. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my God, literally every time. It smells so freaking good. Next, what was I doing? I don't remember what I was doing, but we're gonna move on to the next step, which is setting powder, because in the summer, my face tends to get a little bit shiny and oily, as you can see right now. And I just like it to be, especially like in my T-zone, to be a little bit more matte. Then if I'm feeling a little groovy, I put on some highlighter. So I'm gonna put some highlighter on my inner corners. This is the one by Rare Beauty in Mesmerize. I'm gonna take a little tiny bit and put it in my inner corner. Like that. And sometimes on my nose. All right, we're almost done. I'm just gonna do a little bit more blush. And also, if I have more pimples than I have right now, I'll also go in with like a concealer. But right now my face is pretty clear. luckily, knock on wood. But now I'm gonna go in with some more blush. I'm gonna take the Milk Makeup one. This is the one that I have in work. That's what it's called. I like to use a bit of this one and a bit of another liquid blush that I have in the summer. Well, all year round, but especially in the summer, I like to use cream and liquid based blushes instead of powder ones. This one is by Rare Beauty. The highlighter and the blush came in a set, which is why I have both of them. This is in the shade Joy, and you just need a very little bit of it. Okay, oh my God. See, it's like so much. Uh-oh. It's not spreading. Okay, I'm gonna go in the mirror and like try and fix this up quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's pretty much blended in, and I think that's it. I also recently just bought the Freck XL, which is like the makeup product that puts on fake freckles on your face. And I really love it, but I also feel like it makes my skin look kind of damaged, obviously because they're freckles. But sometimes I put that on if I'm going for like a beach look. But for a general like summer day where I'm putting on makeup, like this is what I'll do. But if I don't have the lash extensions, of course I'll put on mascara. But yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions, I will be happy to take them in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe down below, and see you in the next one.